Howdy folks, we made it to the East Coast, all the way from Southern California. I don't know how many miles I drove, but it was a lot. My tailbone is bruised from sitting so much, but hey, I got to stop and ride 2 days on the way here, so pumped about that. But man, last year was our first time to RedBud. This is our second time, but this year we're racing. Not pro day, but we're racing the Pro-Am on Friday and Sunday. So, man, I'm excited. I'm nervous because I haven't been riding much. I got a concussion in early February, having some post-concussion symptoms. So, took it easy. Still kind of taking it easy, but you know, RedBud is one of those events that you just can't pass up. And if you have the opportunity to race and ride, might as well give it hell. So yeah, enjoy the clips. We're gonna get some sick footage. Got the GoPro, got this camera, and it's gonna be sick. RedBud! Who you thought you was beholden? I'm running through the county, only bumping old music. I pulled up on my mama just to see what they was doing. I'm headed out to eat, I just ate, but I'm hungry. I ain't finna play with none of you niggas or your homies. He said he wouldn't run, found out that was baloney, bitch. Yeah, nigga, hell yeah, send him off a cliff. She said I drove her crazy, told that bitch to get a grip. I got the F80 just to add it to the whips. I pull up to the car, me smoking on the fifth. If I let you slide, then consider that a gift. If I'm fucking with her, let her book a little trip. I don't remember nothing, but I bet I won't forget. If he run up on me, let the old boat rip. They thought I was sketchy, why his hand on his hip. Stage 2 tune, hear the pop when I dip. I'ma raise a cup for the hood and take a sip. I'ma have a fucking blast, crash the event. I'ma tell it to the class, he ain't really rich. Piccadilly eating ass, niggas talking shit. They was in the club smoking only one skip. When I get a steak, I need a side of grilled shrimp. Or go get the crab leg, butter up the bitch. I ain't even flex, I won't butter up the bitch. She wanna pull up just cause of the accent. Good morning guys, it's the day after. It's day 2, 4th of July. Doing one moto format today, and we'll see how I end up. Yeah, I don't know what to expect. So we're just gonna go out there, have fun, and try and go fast.
He's going to the plow. Hey, buddy.
Damn, Miles, you got some nice feet.
Yeah, it costs money.
Hey guys, Saturday. Saturday, day of the National. We're headed there now. We're a little late. It's 11:30. First moto's at 1. We're gonna just hang out all day, barbecue, and have a good time. Did some racing. Didn't work out that well. I got 10th in my first pro race. I had a good jump out of the start, but absolutely blew the corner. It was terrible, absolutely terrible. Not stoked with myself, not happy at all, but hopefully everything goes upward and onward. Now we get to watch the actual good pros and excited. And then we have the Pro-Am tomorrow, so let's go. What a day at RedBud does to your feet when you wear the Jesus sandals.
Chalks.
The chalks.
Fuck you for life. Yeah. You can't put your trust in no man, you can't even trust your hoe. You can't put your trust in no man, you can't even trust your bro. You can't put your trust in no man, you can't even trust the dope man. You can't put your trust in no man, no man, no man, no man. You can't put your trust in no man, you can't even trust your hoe. You can't put your trust in no man, you can't even trust your bro. You can't put your trust in no man, you can't even trust the dope man. You can't put your trust in no man, no man, no man, no man. I'm a hitter by myself, I don't need nobody else. I've been killing shit forever, I got bodies on my belt. You was swimming in the women, I was sinning in the women. Made a killing with this pimpin', I was sinning for my wealth. If you ain't from my hood, get the fuck from round here. Don't nobody from round here, trust nobody from round here. Don't be asking for no help, she not fucking with the help. I'm not hustling for my help, money talk loud and clear, look here. You can't put your trust in no man, you can't even trust your hoe. You can't put your trust in no man, you can't even trust your bro. You can't put your trust in no man, you can't even trust the dope man. You can't put your trust in no man, no man, no man, no man. You can't put your trust in no man, you can't even trust your hoe. You can't put your trust in no man, you can't even trust your bro. You can't put your trust in no man, you can't even trust the dope man. You can't put your trust in no man, no man, no man, no man.
Pull up just to see what's up. Whip came with all the guns. Texas in my triple cup, I'm tripping on the trip with her. See me how I live it up, I'm tangled up in diamond cuts. You see they little bubble butts jiggle when they walk with us. Niggas stepping, bitch, you never catch them fucking us. They know better, boy, you killed in front your only son. Catch me out here smoking on some beef, I'll get you well done. Fuck, nigga, I don't trust no bitch, I trust this dirty gun.
You can't put your trust in no man, you can't even trust your hoe.
Want me to put it back?
This was on the car.
Look at his leg.
He detached from his leg. Well, we just got done racing. First check, first pro race, first check. 120 bones.
RedBud.
Yep. So we have another 3-hour drive to, where are we going, Miles?
Higgins Lake?
Higgins Lake. Gonna spend a few days there. Spend a few days on the lake, on the boat, and then we're gonna leave to go to Millville, Spring Creek. We got a lot of footage. Hopefully you guys enjoy. If you guys made it this far, thanks for watching. And yeah, super stoked how it went. Made it out safe. Feel like I rode good. Had bad starts, but made it out safe. So anyway, see you guys. Thanks for tuning in.